Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get the Windows icons for Windows 11. So let's get started. In your Windows desktop, right click, go to personalize, and then you will see themes. Click on that, and then you're gonna see, scroll down a bit more, you are going to see desktop icon settings. Click on that, and then you can tick which icons you want to apply, just like this, and then you click on apply and OK. Simple as that, guys. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video.